Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Sai Niketan Neet Biology session. My dear students, we are discussing about MCQs from the topic common infectious diseases. Okay, now let us continue our discussion. We have discussed 20 questions. Now, question number 21 is, which of the following is a set of bacterial diseases? There are diseases. We have to select bacterial diseases. Okay. Just see the options. Okay. Now see here. As we know, cholera, typhoid, diphtheria, tuberculosis, plague and tetanus are bacterial diseases. Okay. Mumps, poliomyelitis, measles are viral diseases. Then malaria is a protozoan disease. Yes, with this list, now very easily you can select the right answer. See here. Here in the option 1, cholera and typhoid are bacterial disease, but mumps is a viral disease. In the second option, diphtheria, leprosy and plague, yes, these three are bacterial disease. Therefore, right answer of this question is option 2, diphtheria, leprosy and plague, because we have to select bacterial disease. Okay. Now see option 3. Malaria is a protozoan disease. Mumps and poliomyelitis are viral disease. Okay. Option 4 nodidre neevu, tetanus and tuberculosis are bacterial disease, but measles is the viral disease. Therefore, the right answer here is option 2. Okay. Let's move ahead. Next question. Question number 23. Which of the following diseases are not caused by viruses? See, we have to select the diseases which are not caused by viruses. See the question carefully. Not. Okay. Once you see the options, okay. Now look at here. Option 1, rabies and polio, both are viral diseases. Option 2, AIDS and hepatitis, here both are viral diseases. Option 3, smallpox and measles, here also both are viral diseases. But if you see option 4, typhoid is a bacterial disease, ringworm is a fungal disease. We have to select which are not caused by virus. Therefore, the right answer here is option 4. Right? Typhoid and ringworms are not caused by virus. Okay. Next question. Question number 24. Which of the following is a pair of viral diseases? Here we have to select viral diseases. Right? Correct agi questions anna nodbekagutte. Illi navu viral disease galanna select madkolbeku. See the option. Okay. Now look at here. Option 1, ringworm. In the option 1, ringworm is fungal disease. AIDS is viral disease. In the option 2, common cold and AIDS both are viral disease. Therefore, we have to select here viral diseases. Therefore, the right answer for this question is option 2. Now, see the option 3. Typhoid and tuberculosis both are bacterial diseases. Here option 4 you see dysentery and common cold. Now, dysentery is a bacterial disease. Common cold is viral disease. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಬರೀ ಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಮೀಬಿಕ್ ಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದರೆ that is protozoan disease. Right? Here only dysentery is there, therefore it is bacterial disease. Right? But here we have to select viral diseases. Therefore, right answer for this question is option 2, common cold and AIDS. Okay? Next question is question number 25. Which of the following are considered as airborne diseases? Airborne diseases means diseases which spread by droplets. ಯಾವ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಹರಡುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಆ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಏರ್ಬೋರ್ನ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಏರ್ಬೋರ್ನ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. Okay, now look at here. Ascariasis is by contaminated food and water. Filariasis is by bite of infected female Culex mosquito. Pneumonia is by droplet method. Common cold is by droplet method. Typhoid is by contaminated food and water. Rabies is by bite of infected animals, especially the dog. Polio is by contaminated food and water. ಇಲ್ಲಿ main point is ಯಾವ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಟರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆಯೋ, ಇಫ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್, those diseases are spread by droplet methods. They spread by droplets method and they are airborne diseases. Okay, with this let us try to select the right option. See here, option 1, ascariasis and filariasis. No. Option 2 you see pneumonia and common cold. Yes, They spread by droplet method, hence they are airborne diseases. Therefore, right answer is option 2. Option 3, if you see, typhoid and para-typhoid, both are by contaminated food and water. Rabies, that is by bite of infected animals. Polio is by contaminated food and water. The right answer is here option 2. Okay. Next question. Question number 26. In which of the following disease alveoli of the lungs are filled with fluid that leads to severe respiratory problems? ಯಾವ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಂಗ್ಸಿನ ಆಲ್ವಿಯೋಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಏರ್? ವಿ ನೋ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್, ಎಸ್, in the pneumonia organ affected are alveoli of lungs. Lungs in alveoli affect agutte. Alveoli is filled with the fluid instead of air. That is in the case of pneumonia. Yes, this we have discussed. Now tell me the answer here. Therefore, here the right answer is option 3, pneumonia. Right? The right answer is option 3, pneumonia. Pneumoniaದಲ್ಲಿ alveoli is filled with the fluid. Right? Common cold, rhinitis, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ nose and respiratory passage are affected, not the lungs. In bronchitis is nothing but it is the inflammation of bronchioles. Here lungs na ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ bronchioles are affected but not the alveoli. Okay, so therefore here right answer is option 3. Next question is question number 27. The Helminth parasite found in the lymph vessels of the man is. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸೈಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸೈಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನಿನ ಲಿಂಫ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕುತ್ತದೆ? ಲಿಂಫ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, once you see the options, the parasites which live in lymph vessels of human. Yes, look at here. First option, Ascaris lumbricoides. It lives in small intestine. Second option, Entamoeba histolytica. It is also a parasite. It lives in large intestine of human. Wuchereria bankrupti. As we know, Wuchereria, they cause elephantiasis. These Wuchereria species, they live in lymph vessels. Therefore, in the elephantiasis, there is a chronic inflammation of lymphatic vessels. Yes. Now, fourth option you see, Ancylostoma duodenale. Ancylostoma duodenale. With this you can guess it. Duodenal, duodenum. Duodenum is the part of small intestine. This lives in small intestine. But the question is asked about lymph vessels. Therefore, right answer is option 3, Wuchereria bankrupti. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಲಿಂಫ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. Okay. Now next question is question number 28. Ringworm infection in man is caused by ringworm infection. Question is about pathogen of ringworm. Yes, once again let us see this slide. ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪ್ಯಾಥೋಜನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಂಗ್ವರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ 3 genera of fungi. They are microsporum, trichophyton, epidermophyton. Don't confuse. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ MCQ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಪೋರಮ್, ಟ್ರೈಕೋಫೈಟಾನ್, ಎಪಿಡರ್ಮೋಫೈಟಾನ್. They are the 3 genera causing ringworms. Okay, now tell me the answer. Option 1 epidermophyton, option 2 microsporum, option 3 trichophyton, option 4 all the above. Yes, right answer is option 4 all the above. These 3 genera of fungi cause ringworms. Okay, next question. Question number 29. Study the following statements and select the correct combinations. So here they have given combinations, here they have given the statements. You have to study the statement and we have to select the correct statement. There are 4 statements. Okay, once you see the statements, yes, now look at here. Statement number 1. In general, pathogens have to adapt to life within environment of the host. This statement is 100% correct. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ಯಾಥೋಜನ್ ಹೋಸ್ಟಿನ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. then only that pathogen can survive in the host. So that is the statement. In general, pathogen have to adapt, right, to the environment of the host. This statement is correct. See the statement 2. Plasmodium initially multiplies in RBC and then it attacks hepatic cells of man. This statement is wrong because as we know, Plasmodium first multiplies in liver cells, then in RBC. First liver cells. Here they have given first RBC, then they have given liver cells. Hepatic cells means liver cells. Therefore, this statement is wrong. Remember, Plasmodium first multiplies in the liver cells and then in the RBC. Okay, now see the statement number 3. Plasmodium is intracellular parasite in man and extracellular in mosquito. This statement is correct because you see, intracellular means inside the cell. ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೋಡಿಯಂ ಒಂದು ಲಿವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ RBCಯ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್, ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೋಡಿಯಂ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಸೆಲ್ಯುಲಾರ್. ಬಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೋಡಿಯಂ ಹೋದಾಗ ದೇ ಲೀವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಿಡ್ ಗಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋ. ಗಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. It is not inside the cell, therefore it is extracellular, means outside the cell. So extracellular in mosquito, this statement is correct. Okay, now statement number 4. Sir Ronald Ross discovered Plasmodium in the RBC of man and received Nobel Prize for it. See here, this statement is wrong because Ronald Ross, he is a British army doctor, but he did not discover Plasmodium. He reported that infected female Anopheles mosquito spread the malaria. ಇವರು ಮಲೇರಿಯಾ ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕಚ್ಚುವುದರಿಂದ, ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಅನಾಫಿಲಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕಚ್ಚುವುದರಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ he got Nobel Prize. Remember, he did not discover Plasmodium. Once you see here, ನಾವು ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಮಲೇರಿಯಾದ ಮೋಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್. Mode of transmission is by bite of infected female Anopheles mosquito. This is first reported by Ronald Ross. He got Nobel Prize for this in 1902. He is a Ronald Ross. He got Nobel Prize for telling or first reported female Anopheles mosquito is responsible for spread of malaria. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಜನ ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಲೇರಿಯಾ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಏರ್ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ and C are correct. A and C are correct. Therefore, if you see the option 3, A and C, therefore the right answer is option 3. Right answer is option 3, A and C. Okay, next question. Question number 30. Find the wrong combination. Here we have to select wrong combination, not the right combinations. We have to select the wrong combinations. Once you see the options, yes, now look at here. Option 1, Plasmodium and female Anopheles. This is the correct, because Plasmodium causes malaria. So vector of the malaria is female Anopheles. Second option, Wuchereria and female Culex. This also correct, because Wuchereria causes elephantiasis. The vector of elephantiasis is female Culex mosquito. But if you see the option 3, ringworm housefly, ringwormiಗೂ houseflyಗೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. Right? Housefly is not responsible for spread of ringworm. Actually, ringworm is spread by skin to skin touch or skin to skin contact. So here ringworm and housefly, they are wrong combinations. Therefore right answer is option 3. If we go for option 4, Salmonella typhi Mary melon. Yes, Salmonella typhi causes typhoid. Mary melon is regarded as typhoid carrier. So that's why this is the correct combination. Right answer is option 3. That is wrong combination. Okay, next question. Question number 31. Which of the following are vector-borne diseases? Vector-borne diseases means the diseases which spread through vector, especially by mosquito. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋದಿಂದನೇ ಕೆಲವು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಗಳು ಹರಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋದಿಂದ ಹರಡುವ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋದಿಂದ ಹರಡುವಂಥ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, now look at here. A, malaria. Yes, malaria is spread by infected female Anopheles mosquito. This is the vector. Okay, dengue fever, this is spread by female Aedes mosquito. That is also vector-borne disease. But amoebiasis is spread by contaminated food and water, right? Filariasis, it is by female Culex mosquito. This is also vector-borne disease. Typhoid is by contaminated food and water. Last one is chikungunya. This is also by female Aedes mosquito. This is also vector-borne disease. If you see here, A, B, D, F are vector-borne diseases. Therefore, the right answer, if you search here, option 3, A, B, D, F. Yes, the right answer is option 3. Vector-borne disease ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Now, next question is question number 32. Which of the following measures helps to control the spread of malaria and filariasis? Once again, malaria and filariasis are vector-borne disease. They spread by mosquito bite. ಈಗ ಮಲೇರಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಫೈಲೇರಿಯಾಸಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ what are the measures required? The measures mild required to control the mosquito. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಮೆಷರ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋ. Okay, see here, first one, avoiding stagnation of the water in and around residential area. Yes, with this it is possible to control mosquito. B, spraying of insecticides in ditches and draining area. Yes, introducing larvivorous fishes into drainage ponds. Larvivorous fishes, do you know the name of the fish which eats the larva of the mosquito? That is Gambusia. Yes. Fourth one is use of mosquito nets and mosquito repellents. Yes, that is also correct. Dear student, now you see here A, B, C, D, all are the measures used to control the mosquito, right? Therefore, these are the measures used to control malaria and filariasis. Now you see the fourth option, A, B, C, D. Therefore, the right answer is option 4. Okay, next question. See the next question. This question is asked in Neet 2018 paper ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. In which diseases Does mosquito transmitted pathogen cause chronic inflammation of lymphatic vessels? ಯಾವ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೋನಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಂಫ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್? Chronic inflammation of the lymphatic vessels is the symptom of, see this slide, that is a symptom of filariasis. In the filariasis, if you see the symptoms, chronic inflammation of lymphatic vessels, and limbs and genital organs may be deformed. So if you see here, if you see the leg, in the filariasis, leg of the patient is like elephant leg, but here what is affected? Here lymphatic vessels are affected. Lymphatic vessels are affected. That's why like this symptoms are appearing. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, chronic inflammation of lymphatic vessels, that is filariasis. Okay, therefore the right answer here is option 3, elephantiasis. Right? So elephantiasis. Okay. Now if you see here, ringworm disease nalli skin is affected, ascariasis nalli intestine is affected, amoebiasis nalli kuda intestine is affected. Okay, next question. See, this question is asked in Neet 2019. Neet 2019 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Identify the correct pair representing the causative agent of typhoid fever and the confirmatory test for typhoid. They asked very simple question in 2019. What is the pathogen of typhoid and what is the diagnostic test of typhoid? Now let's see here. As we discussed, pathogen of the typhoid is Salmonella typhi. As we discussed, diagnostic test of the typhoid is Widal test. Diagnostic test is Widal test. See here, Widal test. Therefore the right answer is here. Option 1, Plasmodium is there? No. Option 2, Streptococcus is there? No. Option 3, Salmonella typhi is there? Okay, but test is anathrone test is there? That is no. Option 4 nodidre, Salmonella typhi Widal test is there? Yes, the right answer is option 4. Now you may ask, here UTI andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. UTI means it is urinary tract infection. UTI test means urine test. UTI test, that means urine test. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, that is anathrone test. Anathrone test. Anathrone is the test used to detect carbohydrates. Carbohydrates ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ Salmonella typhi is the pathogen of typhoid. Widal test is the diagnostic test for typhoid. See, this question is asked in 2019. Now let's move to the one more question. Neet 2020 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಯು ಸಿ, ಕಾಲಮ್ 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ, ಕಾಲಮ್ 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಥೋಜನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿವೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇಟ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನೀಟ್ 2020. Okay, now see here, as we know typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi, means A matches with the 3. See the option here, option 1 A3 is there, okay, option 2 A2 is there, Option 2 is ruled out. Option 3, A4 is there. Option 3 also ruled out. Option 4, A1 is there. Option 4 also ruled out. With the one matching only, we can tell right answer is option 1. This is a quick selection of answer. You have to select the answer like this. With the one matching only, we will get the answer here. Now we will see the next matching. Pneumonia is by Haemophilus. Filariasis is by Wuchereria. Malaria is by Plasmodium. Right? So this is about MCQ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಕಾಮನ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷಸ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ನಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷದ ನೀಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನೋಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ I have discussed the synopsis part of this concept. Okay, this is about today's video. Thank you so much. See you again.